Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Netflix application using your iOS device. To log out of Netflix app is super easy. First of all, open up the Netflix app on your mobile device, and after you end up in the main home page for Netflix, go ahead and tap on the My Netflix button at the bottom right corner. From the My Netflix page, click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. In the pop-up displayed at the bottom, you will be able to see the Sign Out button. Tap on it and confirm signing out by tapping on Sign Out once again in the pop-up, and you will be able to log out or sign out of your Netflix application on your iOS device. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.